Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so today I'm doing this pinky, yellow, orange, nice mesh of like pink to sunset vibe eyeshadow look. I call it the Sunday makeup just because today's Sunday. I mean, what else would I call it, right? So here's my Sunday makeup, and if you guys want to know how to get this look and maybe even do the same look as I'm doing, go ahead and sit tight, don't go anywhere. Let's get started. The first thing I'm gonna do is put on my Ultra Repair Cream by First Aid Beauty, and this one is in their Intense Hydration Pink Grapefruit collection. The smell of this is amazing, and it also really hydrates your skin, which I really like. But I feel like one thing about this is it doesn't have SPF, so you want to keep that in mind. Normally I would put this you know, before I go to bed or late at night, or you know, if I'm planning on staying home for most of the day, stuff like that. But because I'm going to be using a foundation that has SPF in it, and we'll get to that later, I feel okay using that, you know, lotion. So now let's do our brows while our First Aid Beauty is settling into our skin. And of course, you guys know, I say this time and time again, one of my favorite brow pencils is the e.l.f. brow pencil. And the e.l.f. Cosmetics, they have like different types of brow pencils, but the one I'm using right now, that's like pretty much my holy grail. It's the brow pencil that's like, first of all, $2 plus tax, but $2 here or there. And on top of that, it's it has like a much thicker point, so when you're filling in your brows, it's not so much for preciseness, but more for, you know, filling in, coloring in, if you will, type of deal. So now, just to make sure my brow hairs are set and in place, I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Tinted Brow Gel, and we're just gonna brush our brows hair up and to the side, you know, like so. So before I move on with my foundation, I want to go ahead and put a little bit of lip moisturizer, and what else is perfect than your OG Vaseline. So we got our little mini Vaseline in our hands. So while that's settling and sinking into our lips, let's go ahead and do our foundation. For my foundation, I'm using the IT Cosmetic CC Cream Your Skin But Better Color Correcting Full Coverage Cream Anti-Aging Hydrating Serum SPF 50+. Yeah, all that good stuff. So this is what I'm using. I am in the shade Medium Tan, and this is what it looks like. It's a rather thick consistency, so I'm not really looking for like full coverage. This product is definitely buildable. I just want a nice like even looking skin tone, so, and this will help with that. And on top of that, the SPF is a plus. So now, taking my Morphe brush, I'm going to blend this all out. I'm going to take my Laura Mercier powder, it's my little baby version, and take a sponge, dip it in, and go ahead and set my face. I want to keep my makeup locked and in place. Let that sink in and settle in for not too long, and then go ahead and just take a nice fluffy brush and dust it all off. So now it does look like our face needs a little bit of warmth and color added back into the mix. So let's go ahead and take our butter bronzer, take a nice fluffy brush, and just kind of warm up your face. A nice little quick bronziness touch to our skin makes a huge difference. You see how that really brought back the warmth into my face, and I am so far really liking it. So now I'm going to go ahead and do my cheeks. I'm going to use my e.l.f. cream blush and take a brush. Sometimes I like to use my fingers, but this time I'll use a brush and dip it in and just go across my face right on top of my nose, bringing a nice flush rosy redness on my face. And if you ever feel like the rosy redness is too much for you, just take a nice fluffy brush and maybe even like dip it into your powder, your setting powder or translucent powder, and just gently just tap that right on top, and that should kind of like mute down that too much blushiness, if that makes sense. Alright, so now let's go ahead and use our highlighter. Today I'm going to use my Becca mini highlighter. This one is in Vanilla Court, just a little baby highlighter and perfect for traveling. Dip my brush in there. So now the face is pretty much done and we can dive into our eyes. Today I'm going to use two palettes. I'm using the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade palette, and I'm going to dive into the BH Cosmetics Aurora Lights palette. So first, diving into our Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade palette, I'm taking this shade Nude Tea and just placing that all over my eyes. Next, I'm gonna dive into Mango and then place that on my outer to my inner windshield wiper, back and forth like so. So now picking up that shade right next to Mango, which is a Sweet Tea, we're going to place that right on top, but not really covering up too much of the Mango. You want both shades to be showing. We're just kind of meshing and blending them together in a way. So now, using my fingers, I'm going to dive into Fluorescent, which is that pink shade right there, and place that right on top, like so. And then using my brush and still picking up Fluorescent, I'm going to just smooth out that pink fluorescent look on my eyes. So now I kind of want to darken up the outer corners just a tad bit. So I'm going to dive back into my Lemonade palette and pick up some Chai Tea right there. And then using my DS04 brush, we're just going to very lightly place that on the outer corner. So now, taking my LA Girl Ultimate Eyeliner, I'm going to do my eyeliner real quick. And then of course, you guys know me and how much I love glitter. So I'm gonna take my Heavy Metal Urban Decay Disco Daydream and just add that right on top. Just right on top of that pink. And then let's go ahead and curl our lashes and do our mascara. And then to finish it off, I'm going to dive into my Bite Beauty lipstick. This is in the shade Glace. Looks like that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and top it off with my Dominique Cosmetics gloss. And the shade I'm using, you guys, is Peach Tea. Alright, so here is the final look, you guys. I think the makeup turned out actually really nice. I'm pretty proud of myself. I used a nice pink shade, some yellows, some browns. I mean, the makeup turned out pretty spectacular. So you guys, if you like videos like this where I do makeup looks and sometimes even makeup reviews, product reviews, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below, join the Kwak fam, and hit that like button if you did enjoy watching this video, and also hit that notification bell because there will be giveaways coming up if you are part of the notification bell team or member. So with all that said, I did do a giveaway announced on my Instagram. So, you know, you might want to follow me there as well. You never know where on which platform I'll be doing a giveaway at, so go ahead and follow me. And yeah, that's it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I'll talk to you next time. Alright, bye!